These are the top 5 best voice recorder apps for Android in 2026, packed with powerful features to capture, edit, and save high-quality audio easily. At number 5, we've got Super Recorder, voice recorder audio sound MP3, rated 4.4 stars with over 93k reviews and 10 million plus installs. Key features. This app is built for serious audio quality. It gives you a hi-fi crystal clear recording with powerful noise reduction, so even in a loud room, your voice stays sharp and clean. You can record lectures, meetings, interviews, or even personal notes with just one tap, no complicated setup. It also supports real-time speech to text in over 100 languages, turning your voice into written notes instantly. Plus, you can edit audio, trim clips, boost volume, and even change voices for fun or creativity. What makes it stand out is flexibility, offline transcription, unlimited recording time, playback speed control, and even skipping silent parts. On top of that, your files stay private and stored locally, so your data stays safe. If you want a powerful all-in-one voice recorder in your pocket, this one is a game changer. Would you try it or skip it? At number 4, we've got the powerful app voice recorder, Voice Memos, rated 4.6 out of 5 with over 90k reviews and more than 10 million downloads. This isn't just a basic recorder, it captures crystal clear audio for meetings, lectures, podcasts, music, and even interviews. You can organize recordings into groups, add tags, bookmarks, and even color labels for easy searching. It also supports high-quality formats like MP3, Wavy, AAC, and FLAC. What makes it stand out is the smart AI transcription. Your voice turns into text instantly. Plus, you get noise reduction, echo cancelling, and even Bluetooth mic support for pro-level recording. And yes, you can trim, cut, and turn recordings into ringtones in seconds. Number 3, we've got Voice Recorder and Voice Memos, a powerful Android recording app with a solid 4.5-star rating and over 10 million installs. This isn't just a basic recorder, it's built for real-life use. With one tap, you can capture high-quality audio in seconds. It offers multiple recording modes like meetings, music, and standard voice notes, so it adapts to whatever you're doing. You also get advanced tools like noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control, meaning your recordings sound clean and professional, even in noisy places. Need organization? You can add tags, markers, and notes while recording, making it super easy to find important moments later. Plus, it supports background recording, quick access from widgets, and even auto backup to Google Drive so you never lose your files. Whether you're a student recording lectures, a musician catching ideas, or someone saving quick voice memos, this app makes everything fast, simple, and reliable. With over 250k reviews, users love how smooth and practical it is in daily life. At number 2, we've got Easy Voice Recorder, rated 4.2 stars with over 580k reviews and more than 50 million installs worldwide. This isn't just a basic recorder, it's built for everyday life. You can record meetings, lectures, personal notes, music ideas, or even quick reminders, all with just one tap and zero time limits. For students, it's a game changer. You can record entire classes in crystal clear quality, then replay them anytime. Even better, you can slow down or speed up playback to study at your own pace. For professionals, it makes meetings and interviews super easy to capture and share instantly through email or messaging apps. And for creators or musicians, it helps you quickly record ideas, melodies, or rehearsals without missing a beat. It also supports high-quality formats, background recording, and quick shortcuts so you can start recording in seconds. Plus, with Wear OS support, you can even record straight from your smartwatch. That's why millions trust it. It's simple, fast, and reliable when it matters most. Lastly, number 1, we've got Voice Recorder, one of the most trusted recording apps on Android, rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with over 50 million installs. Key features. This app lets you capture crystal clear audio anytime, anywhere. Whether it's meetings, lectures, interviews, or even song ideas, it records everything in high quality with no time limits. You get super simple controls, just hit record, pause, resume, or stop with one tap. It supports multiple formats like MP3 and OGG, so your files are always flexible and easy to use. Plus, you can share recordings instantly through WhatsApp, email, Dropbox, and more. Why it's useful, what makes it stand out is how lightweight and reliable it is. It even works in the background with your screen off, so you never miss important moments. Perfect for students, professionals, or content creators. That's it. Which app will you try first? Comment below.